a bubbly cartoon meadow under skies of cotton blue lived a happy dancing cow named Coco. She wore a tiny pink hat and shiny polka dot shoes, and everywhere she trotted she spread rainbow colored news. Coco loved jumping on fluffy marshmallow grass, wiggling her silly tail as butterflies giggled and passed. When she moved, the flowers danced around, and sparkly little stars popped right out of the ground. She hopped on jelly clouds that bounced like a bed, and a cartoon bird gently placed a bow on her head. Coco spun in circles with the magical root, making candy-colored winds swirl and twirl through the view. Every morning she played with her veggie friends too. The dancing carrot, laughing peas, and a tomato that flew. They clapped, they tapped, they made a silly parade as Coco proudly mooed, "I love this hay." When the sun became sleepy and the sky turned pink, Coco blew bubble hearts, soft, shiny, and full of wink. The moon